Alright guys, back with another video. So today I'm just going to make a quick video on the Bung King lower crash bar for the 2022 Lowrider S. Just a quick install video, and then maybe a quick comparison of before and after with my Cobra neighbor hater exhausts. Hopefully this is a quick video. Most people should know how to put this on, but I'm just putting it out there. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so starting on the right side of the bike, you're going to be removing these two, and I can't really see it. This one right here, and the two down here holding the foot peg. And for the Torx bit, it's a T45 torque, and for the Allen, it's an H1 quarter. So let's remove that, and we'll move on to the next side. Alright, for this side, you're going to take the two bolts out here. I believe you got to take one or both of these out. I'm thinking it's both of them. So let's get to that. These are the T45 torques. Alright, well, my camera died because it's too hot outside, but it's self-explanatory, very easy. I actually didn't have to take the two bolts out of the brake reservoir, but you can see the two here were replaced. The one right here was replaced. I had to reuse one of the original bolts on this side, and then on this side they're all four new. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what it looks like from the driver's seat. I did sit on it. And I can reach my foot around the cone here. My foot, you can see the dirt marks probably. My foot hit about right here on this side, and I can plant it nice and firm right here. With these floorboards that I have from Kuryakin, I can actually adjust them forward, so from the tip of my heel to the tip of my foot I can barely reach. If I move this forward, I might be able to use this as just an extension of these boards. We'll have to see how that feels. I'm going to start it up now and give you a comparison to the my stock exhaust compared to my Cobra neighbor haters. was a quick cluster of a video trying to make some sort of content, and I'm still waiting on parts. I wanted to do a complete update on everything on the bike. I still have my saddleman seat, which should come in tomorrow, the bar risers from Bitwell, the pullback Murdochs. I went with 10-inch. Those should be in tomorrow or Friday. The cable kit cables, I went with 12-inch, so I don't know how much extra I'm going to have. But those should be in Friday or next Monday. And then I ended up buying a cluster gauge relocation holder, or whatever you want to call it, for the handlebars, since I didn't get the Bitwell ones are sold out. If I don't like the one I got, I'll get the Bitwell. But anyway, thought I'd make a short video. The time it took me to put that on by myself, you know, I have one of these wheel chocks, so the bike's standing upright, and then I put a piece of wood underneath the kickstand. But by myself, it took me maybe a half hour. So super simple, super easy, and it seconds as a highway pegs or highway bars. I'm probably going to put like grip tape on it right around, you know, like skater grip tape, like probably right here, so my foot doesn't slide off of it. So as long as everything comes in this week to next week's video will probably just be a complete video on everything I did to the bike, and if I plan on doing anything more. Basically, once I get everything I ordered, I'm pretty much done. We're going to Wisconsin for the Road America King of the Baggers races, June 3rd through the 5th or something like that. So maybe I'll see some of you guys out there. I'm setting this bike up to take that 9-hour trip. I believe it's about 9 hours from here. So yeah, anyway, that was just a quick, simple video. You guys, I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends. Hopefully we can get this thing going. Hopefully I can start getting more content out. Maybe at some point I'll buy a new GoPro so it doesn't look like I'm driving in a tornado. But yeah, with that being said, take it easy, guys. Later.